Imagine this, a clean, organized home that sparks joy. Before you bring in new furniture or paint colors, decluttering is key. It's like wiping a canvas clean before painting a masterpiece. You create space for what truly matters in your life. Ready to design your dream home? Let's start by decluttering. Clutter can make us feel stressed and anxious. It's hard to relax when surrounded by stuff. But remember, you're not alone. We all struggle with clutter sometimes. The first step is acknowledging it. Then, we can start to let go and create a more peaceful space. Decluttering doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small. Choose one area, like a drawer or shelf. Try the one in, one out rule. For every new item, donate or discard an old one. Organize by category: clothes, books, papers. It makes decision-making easier. Hold each item in your hand. Does it spark joy? If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. Donating items can spark joy for others too. Letting go can be liberating. You create space for new possibilities and experiences. Share your decluttering journey with us. What tips have worked for you? Let's inspire each other.